lang.
Mamat lang ako.
Maybe somewhere in Ilocos.
Picture tayo dito lahat. Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog! Ayan. Ayan ang aking mga kasama guys.
Ilan mo nang dumaan?
Ay, kanina talagang kami pala.
Hindi. Kasi pwede iwanan sa akin.
Eh, nandyan lahat eh. May kape ako, may tubig, may drink. Wow. Saan pa? Ayaw ano.
Pasimplihan mo lang kasi ipapabulay.
Yung bigo na yung bibingka in-slice ko na bago ko matulog. Nilagay ko na.
So I just want to ask, which one is better? This one is clear.
This one.
Which one? The one I used, right? Yeah, because it's I feel I am not
The first one was echo.
echo. Yeah, echo a lot. This one is me. The name of this song. This one. Bakit uhaw sayong sayaw, bakit ikaw?
One.
Sayong laging ikaw. Oh, this is the correct one, ha? Ako'y tiniginaw, halika rito, di ko kala, matabi ko. What is the step? Those people, ha? Uhaw, yes, uhaw. Let's have fun, huh? You know, let's play this one. Let's play this one because you know sometimes it's very difficult for Ling Ling to remember the lyrics. I need your support. Sabay-sabay tayo, ha? Let's play this one. Spaghetti, spaghetti. Spaghetti,
Nagkakagulo na kami.
Sasayang na cha-cha, ang saya-saya. Ang kapa-kapa, ang kapa-kapa, ang kapa-kapa ng bulaklak. Meron maliit, meron malaki, meron din na dahong bulaklak. Gusto mo? Meron ng kapa, meron manipis, maurin na bulaklak. Am I right? Let's together, let's present. Maybe this time it'll be lovely next time. Maybe now they can't be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. I know that this is the new one, like dong 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 dong. This is another thing. Dong 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 bakit dong kita alimano sa dagat malaki at masarap mahirap mahuhuli sa pagkat nangangagat. Yeah, this one. When the night has come.
7 minutes pwede.
Di naman kayo sobrang it's 12. Sobrang nag-12 ako.
Yeah, you can make it long. As long as you want.
Napasali mga saging-saging sa kadakinan yung may badyang pa.
Lagi, dagko naman na manggod din sila.
Nindot lagi na rin nga window. Nindot ang
Kaya mo tadra ko ba? O kato, nay may mapayo ko.
Nindot lagi diri nga window lagi.
O ato na andyan ka na ba yung police check?
Oh. Police check.
Ate, imo lang di ba yung dito? Tadra aba. Ikaw yung nakay kay gilid man oh. Timer na yan. Pero ay may Gitungan din mo. Ganyan. Kapuya oy.
Hawaii man?
Pindutin mo.
Hawaii.
Kapoy lagi.
Wala ba?
Wait lang.
Wait ko daw ka cellphone.
Asa no yun?
Pinitili ko lang. Agoy. Kani, bisan ko ako'y picture ba? Basta na ilang ko
Oo,
mga memories
video.
ingani.
Ako i-upload ba na ako siya sa YouTube?
Oh, kaya akong kuan man kay katong explore man. Explore
Oh,
man, diba?
explore.
The Explorer.
The Explorer.
Ang cheap naman. Dalawa lang. Paano ganun?
Agoy, kakapoy.
Oh, pwede ako.
So kami
Hindi
apat
pwede
lang.
ko. Ayaw ilang lugar. Ay,
Hindi pwede na sa likod.
limpyo ka ayo.
Ginaano ganin nila ang kuan. Second to Singapore sila ba?
Oo.
O ka na, o pwede na palatayan sang sang sitaw ba?
Kaya naharugan na.
Balad. Uy, daghang saging. Baw ka manol di inday. Agoy.
Bago pa niya. Wala pa kayo.
Ay, parang Manila lang to.
Oo.
Kana, di ba?
Parang
Mga
Manila.
building yan.
Ang imo ang naandan nga natin, rin mo maibalin sa pita.
Murag Pinas lang yan.
Murag Pinas na.
Siksika ng mga balay.
Oo.
Pero at least daghan silang puno. Dili katulad sa Pinas.
Dili po igang ilang lugar.
Kalbo sa puno. Kalbo sa
Bugnaw,
tanong.
bugnaw ilahang lugar.
Kay mubo man idiriga ilang lugar. Aton itaas man. East man gud ta.
Langit naman rin ako na video pande.
Ato ang kingdom mo ni Harry Potter.
The Kingdom of Harry Potter.
Yes, ang katuon. No.
Nakaraan na kayo ng mga balay. Oh.
Sus, mga kuana na. Mga dumaan.
Oo.
Ang nindot lang sa Pinas kay ang mga street may mga pangalan kag
Oo.
diliing ani ka kuan ang ano.
Inani ka lagyo ba? Ben lagyo ka. Iwa mo kay mabaklayan ini.
Sus, grabing bakla yun.
Wala pa. So,
Dili man ka pwede dili mga baklay-baklay. Unless kadra ay balay.
dapat may sakyanan ka diri.
Oo, dapat may sakyanan kang
Wala,
kauli.
wala ko ipuan ka ng commute ba?
Pero ito na po na po kingdom ni kuano. Castillo ni sa ano ba? Oh, naisa ilaw ng kuan lagyan baga ba?
Oo.
Subway.
Subway.
Oh, murag sa Thailand man ni oh, na ingana ba?
Oh, butag ni.
Uy.
Good. Junk daw.
Gani sa mga probinsya lang ni mo.
Malapit sa tower. Yung ganyan sa Victoria.
Hindi ano yan, yung line ng kuryente nila.
Sa ano, di ba?
Kuryente nila.
Oo. Nga,
many factories, home province, and then any waterway you see, it belongs to the Pearl River, Pearl River Delta. Over there, you see that is the station of the high-speed trail, high-speed train, high-speed railway. They have many on the way because just ride the high-speed train because they're fast, very fast. And then that station there. And in Huas we call Zhangjiajie. This city is about 6.5 hours by high-speed train from Shenzhen. If you're interested, you can visit there because it's so beautiful. Just like in Philippines, you are famous for your chocolate hill, diba? You have the Harry Potter movies when you shooting is above the chocolate mountains in Bangkok. And here, because on the way, many trees. Most of them, later I will point to you, is lychee. Leaves of the wrong trees, the lychee. And this kind of fruits for export. Because we can, after we pick from the trees, we will put in the, because this is the hometown of lychee. But now it's not the season, that's why you cannot see the fruits. Because the season of lychee is ending. And then on the way you see all the factories. Because this belongs to the, that is lychee, the round one. We have the lychees go inside the lychee farm. And then you can eat as many as you want inside. And just eat. And then just try, because you know, you eat a lot of lychees. Local products in Shenzhen is lychee black tea. Chinese people like to drink tea every day. And lychee tea is good for your skin. And since now we are very close to the Dongguan, and later, because our time is limited, I need to, sayang naman, diba? Come with me first, I'm holding a flag, and I bring you around and say dala 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 dala, and then let's complete the May program. So, which is the first May program? It's the bridge, the glass bridge. And then the second program now we need to mention is this one. It's the boat. It's the polar bear surfing.